How to hide WhatsApp number and make call and chat while hiding your number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide in how you can hide your WhatsApp number and make calls and do chats anonymously. Well, the first step, what you want to do is you want to open up your WhatsApp Messenger and you should get an interface like this. Now once here you want to tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and then what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings option. Now once on settings, you can see the various options. You can see account privacy, after chats. You want to simply select the privacy option here. Now once you select the privacy option here, you can see various options: last seen and online, profile photo, about. If you just want to hide your last seen and online status, you want to simply select tap that first option, last seen and online, and then you want to set it to nobody, and you can see who can see I'm online. You want to set it as same as last seen. Similarly, if you want to change your profile photo to privacy here, profile photo privacy, you can change it from here. You can set it to nobody and nobody will be able to see your profile photo. I will set it to everyone currently here. Now the other thing is about. You can see now if you just want to hide your WhatsApp number, you want to select this about option and you want to set it to nobody, and this way nobody else will be able to see your WhatsApp phone number while you make a call and chat. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.